Hello, this is Eric Bear with ReLISTO. Thank you for your interest in 650 Steiner. I have the camera pointed at right here. I just want to pan over just so you can appreciate how close you are to the very iconic painted ladies. There they are. Again, you're a half a block away from this. Then you are also, I'm hanging out on the bluff in Alamo Square Park. This is one of the most visited parks, and you can see you have an amazing view of downtown. There's a new Salesforce Tower, Bank of America building, Transamerica building. Alamo Square Park is situated between NOPA and the Hayes Valley with shops, restaurants. I'm just going to pan, as you can see, how many people visit this park. Movies, tree-lined, of course, big grassy area. They just renovated this park. Big grassy area. Movies in the summertime, tennis courts. One of the best places to live in San Francisco, centrally located, close to the freeway, and living in 650 Steiner, you will have this right here. All right, thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.